and welcome to another episode of Sparkle Twist Toy Time. And today we have So Slime DIY kits, and they have a mini mystery kit inside. So we get to make pastel slimes. So we just mix, shake, just add water, and we get to add a little surprise. They come with a little slime shaker, no glue, no mess. And there's these different colors we can get. So you get to collect and combine all these colors. They even have some cute sparkles. And there's all these different surprises you could get. Ooh, this will be so fun. I can't wait to see. They're both the same. I just can't wait to see what kind of surprise you get. I really hope I get a mermaid or even a seahorse. Yay! All right, so let's go ahead and open these up. Oh, that's not opening. All right, there we go. Ooh. All right, so here's our little slime shaker. Let's see what all we have in here. I got a seahorse. It's so cute. Little blue, it's very soft. Cute little fins. So adorable. I love it. Oh. All right, we got some pink sparkles. Ooh, that must be our mix. Let's see. Ooh, we have some cool stickers. All right, and then there's our little yellow cup. Here we go. So let's see, these must be the instructions. Combine the slime powder pack, glitter, and or confetti into the shaker container filled with cool tap arts with line on the shaker. All right, so let's see. This must be the line. Let's fill it up with our Harry Potter. Go Hufflepuff. There we go. And then add in our powder mix. It looks like it is a cool yellow, so ooh, maybe we'll get a neon yellow mix. There we go. So just pour that all in there. Nice. And we also add in our pretty pink glitter. Snippy, snappity, snip, snip. There we go. Ooh, it's gonna be so neat. Secure the lid. Ooh, making a little bit of a mess here. All right. And then we're gonna shake it off. Shake, shake, shake it off for 30 seconds. Shake it up, shake, shake, shake it up. Almost there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Now we just let this set for 5 minutes and we are good to go. All right, ooh, that looks cool in there though. Nice. All right, so let's set this aside with the cute seahorse. Ah! All right, so let's see. Mix this slime. All right. So let's go ahead and mix this one up while we're waiting. And see if we get some awesome little surprise in this one too. Oh my gosh, we got another yellow container. Neato. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I got an alicorn. Yay! How cute is that? Look at that. It's very, oh, look at that. That is an intense tail there. It's ready to go. Gonna fly. Cute little horn, and it's blue like its buddy. What's that? No. All right. We got some more stickers. Bam! All right, ooh, gold this time. Ooh, it's yellow. Maybe we're gonna get 2 neon yellows. All right, so let's go ahead and fill this one up. All right. Woo! There we go. Woo! All right, second pack, beautiful gold. Get that all in there. Come out wherever you are. Mostly all over the table. It's so sparkly. Sparkles. All right, we're gonna shake this one up for a whole 30 seconds. Shake and bake, and I'll help. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're gonna let that one set for 5 minutes. All right, not too much longer. All right, so our 5 minutes is up. So let's go ahead and see what we got in the seahorse slime. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna use our gold one from our Poopsie Unicorn video spoon. Stir it up, make sure we got everything all really good and mixed up. It's still just a little bit juicy in there. Oh, it spilled out. So much for no mess. The more slime videos I do, the sparklier I get. All right, oh my goodness. All right, let's see, all right. It's definitely pretty juicy. All right, so it looks like it's just a funky yellow, not really neon-y. And it's so slimy. I'm so sparkly. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna hide our little surprise in there now. There's glitter everywhere. Ah! All right, it is getting stickier the more I work with it. Let's go ahead and see if we can just pour the rest of that in there and get it to work in. Oh my goodness. I'm going to become a glitter monster. So much glitter. Oh my gosh. I think I shall just now become the sparkly glitter queen. All right, so there we go. We have our little seahorse in there. The more you work with it, the more it does. It gets sticky. And it is super glittery and sparkly. But it's not really neon. It's pretty much just a bland yellow. All right, so there's our first one with the seahorse surprise. I do love the seahorse. It's super adorbs. All right, so, oh, it's a little slimy in there too. So let's use our silver one. All right, make sure it's all nice and stirred up in there. Stir it up, stir, stir, stir it up. Oh, it's gonna be a juicy one too. Oh my goodness. Not looking forward to that. Let's do that. Oh, that's like a snot bucket in there. All right, let's pull it on out. Oh, now this one's a prettier one. I like this one. This one's like a neon yellow. It's got that pretty gold going on. I do like this one. And there's our alicorn. No! 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 Ah! Alright, the more you work with this one too, it's getting sticky. So this one turned out really nice. I like the color combo for it. So that's awesome sauces. There it is. And now it's getting some pink glitter mixed in. It's sparkle-tastic. Alright, so these aren't too bad. They're pretty easy to make. There was some messiness, which is easy enough to clean up. But they're nice and simple, quick and easy. So I like them. I do like this gold and now pink glitter one. And I love my alicorn and my seahorse. And this one turned out much better than the other one. It's mixing up really nice. And all my stuff's coming off, so loves it. All right, so make sure and comment below to tell me which one was yours. And if you've done these slime DIY kits before, and what your favorite color and surprise has been. I really love that seahorse. And I like this yellow glittery slime here. It's sparkling up my day. Remember, like and subscribe. Join me for more episodes. Sparkle later. Bye.